Welcome to Florence, Italy. Known as the birthplace of the Renaissance, this city is a treasure trove of art, history, and culture. Today, we'll explore some of its most iconic sites on this walking tour. Basilica of Santa Maria Novella is a short walk from the train station. This beautiful basilica, completed in the 14th century, is a masterpiece of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Don't miss the stunning facade designed by Leon Battista Alberti. From here, we make our way to one of Florence's most iconic landmarks, the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, also known as the Duomo. This short walk through the charming streets of Florence offers a glimpse of the city's vibrant life.
Yeah, on Saturday we'll start from here.
Wow.
No, look up.
Oh, ya, mira la camisa.
The Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, with its magnificent dome engineered by Brunelleschi, is a symbol of Florence. The exterior is adorned with stunning marble panels in shades of green, pink and white. Later in this video we will go inside to find the beautiful frescoes including Vasari's Last Judgment. Make sure to climb to the top of the dome for an incredible view of the city. If you are visiting the Duomo in high season, we strongly recommend getting a skip the line ticket. Next, we're heading to the Accademia Gallery, home to one of the most famous sculptures in the world, Michelangelo's David. This short walk takes us through more of Florence's picturesque streets. The Accademia Gallery houses many works of art such as Michelangelo's David, as well as priceless musical instruments.
They kidnapped
You are now seeing Michelangelo's Captive or Prisoners, which is a series of unfinished sculptures that were originally intended for the tomb of Pope Julius II. These sculptures depict figures in various stages of emergence from the stone, conveying a sense of struggle and liberation. We now continue to Michelangelo's David, a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture. Carved from a single block of marble, David stands over 5 meters tall and represents the biblical hero in a moment of contemplation before his battle with Goliath. The detail and artistry of this sculpture are truly awe-inspiring.
Nope.
Our journey continues near the Uffizi Gallery, one of the most important art museums in the world. While we won't be going inside today, it's worth mentioning that the Uffizi Gallery houses an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art, including works by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci and Raphael. We continue to the iconic Ponte Vecchio bridge, a medieval stone bridge known for its unique shops that line both sides. Originally home to butchers, the shops are now occupied by jewelers, art dealers, and souvenir sellers. The bridge's history dates back to Roman times, and it has been rebuilt several times over the centuries. It's one of Florence's most photographed landmarks and a must-visit spot.
Okay, turn around. Pretty cool, right?
Anyone you can take a picture?
I'll show you. Yes.
Ici, après, la maison retournée efficace.
I don't know, maybe it's Mr. Vecchi.
Smile.
We are now on our way back to the train station. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Florence, from the breathtaking basilicas and world-renowned art to the charming streets and historic bridges Florence is. A city that captivates the heart. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.
Yeah.